So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to the link which will be down below in the description to download Visual C++. And then once we're here, you want to scroll down till we get to this part. We're going to be having two downloads, x86 and x64. To know which one you need, you want to head over to search and type in system information. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to look next to system type. For me, I'm on x64, so I'm going to be getting that one. If your one says x86 or x32, then you want to get the other one. So in my case, it says x64. So I'm going to be getting this one, x64. I'm going to click on this. It's now going to start downloading. And then once this downloads, you want to click on this. And now this will come up. Now once we're here, you want to click on I agree. And then click on install. And then click on yes. Wait for this to load. If you get this, you want to click on yes again. Wait for this to load. And then once it's been completed, the problem should now be fixed. If that's still not working for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to uninstall either Ubisoft Connect or GeForce Now if you know which one's causing the problem. If you don't know, then just uninstall both of them. So you want to scroll down till you find either Ubisoft Connect or GeForce Now. Let's imagine that this is it. You want to click on the three dots, click on uninstall, then you want to uninstall it. Then you just want to reinstall it again. This should now fix your problem.